Hey, how are you guys doing? So this is boy CJ here. So yeah, today I'm heading towards HTRZ artistry to install what do you call that thing, man? To protect your front and back guards. Not guards actually. It's called the fork sliders actually. Well, you can call it a crash guard, fork sliders, wheel sliders, but I recommend it saying as a fork slider because it comes on your front forks and your rear forks. Well, yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys at HTRZ Artistry. Let's head there.
Hey guys, this is Faiz from Ft.HTRZ again. So basically sliders are something used for especially protecting your bikes, because some fired bikes and some few mentioned bikes, for example you have these KTMs, they have crash cages that are of very good quality, which is a little expensive. So instead of that there is another alternate called as the sliders. So either you have the frame sliders to protect your chassis and your body frame. Then for the wheel axle protection, your caliper protection, you have the wheel sliders. For the rear you can use the sliders as well for the protection of your exhaust. Basically what I'm going to show you, what CJ has right now is the wheel sliders. So that is something like this. So these will be installed on your wheel axle, and the rest of the magic will show you after the installation.
When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining?
So yeah, the sliders are here. Let's get started. So here's our boy, bro. Let's get started, shall we?
Yes.
Don't you see I'm shining? When I'm with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When I'm with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When I'm with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When I'm with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining?
So the back wheels bolts. So I didn't want to remove the hugger here. So that's why we went to Mods and we just got a long bolts. So where the bolts? It's in my pocket. Yeah, these are the bolts. Yeah, these are the two bolts. Not this, I guess. Huh? These are the two bolts. Slider. Yeah. One is here. Cap it off. Let's just start to fit it. So yeah, the installation has been done thanks to our mastermind here. So thank you so much, bro. So enjoy the cinematic shots that have been installed on this. Let's go. So hi dosto, yes, the sliders, it's been installed. You can see here, you can see them right here. It's in the rears and the front. Well, thanks to HTRZ Artistry here. Well, yeah, this costed me around 1,300, not bad actually, and I got a pretty good discount too. Well, yeah, I hope you guys like the installation. Well, I did not explain you how to install it, but, because it's actually very easy to install. Have to remove two bolts in the front, have to remove two bolts in the back. Just install the sliders in. You can find out in other videos in YouTube. I didn't want to brag so much about it. So anyways, yeah, thanks to HTRZ. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.
It's caught in the crossfire.